ready to unlock the earning potential hidden within your communication infrastructure. Let's dive into how you can actually make money with Telnyx. First, the most straightforward route is becoming a Telnyx partner. Head over to Telnyx.com and look for the partner program. This is where you can resell Telnyx services to your own clients, marking up the price and pocketing the profit. They provide resources and support to help you succeed. Next, explore the power of Telnyx's APIs. Consider developing custom integrations for businesses. Are there specific workflows they need to streamline? Can you build an SMS notification system for appointment reminders? Or perhaps a sophisticated call routing solution? Identify those needs, build a solution, and charge for your expertise. Here's a quick example. Imagine a real estate company wants automated text updates for property showings. You can integrate Telnyx's SMS API with their existing CRM like Salesforce. When a showing is booked, a text automatically goes out. This saves them time and provides value. This value is something you can monetize. Another way to profit is to create custom dashboards and reporting tools on top of the Telnyx platform. Businesses need insights into their communication traffic. You can build user-friendly interfaces that present Telnyx data in an easily digestible format and charge for access or offer it as a premium service. So, to recap, your earning opportunities include reselling Telnyx services, building custom API integrations that solve business problems, and crafting valuable reporting and analytics tools. Choose the path that best suits your skills and target audience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on maximizing your Telnyx experience. You'll find the link to the Telnyx partner program in the description below. Now go out there and turn your communication expertise into a revenue stream.